Hello everyone. Let us now discuss how can we solve this problem. Maximum score from removing substrings. So here in this we are given with a string s. So it will be containing only lowercase English letters. Now we need to remove AB or BA, right, from the string. We need to remove AB substring or BA substring. Now if we remove AB, we will get x score added to our value, or x is added to our score. Now if we remove BA, we will get y as added to our score. So we are given with s and also x comma y. Now we need to return the maximum score that can be obtained, right? So let us take this example cd, wait a second, cd BCBB triple A BAB. Now it is given that x is 4 and y is 5. Now the first thing is CDBC. So we doesn't get any AB or BA till now. Now CDBC and then A. Now BA, I got a BA. So what I'll do is just remove these two and add y to our score. Score will be 0 initially, and if I add 5, it will be 5. Now I got this A. What is the previous character? The previous character is B. If you see, these two are removed. Now AB is giving me 10, right? Now again BA is giving me 5 again. Now I got AB. So first I'll get to A and see the previous character, it is C, and then I go to BA. So BA will add 5, then it will be 15. Now sorry, AB is giving me just 4, so 14. Now AB again, right? So if I add this AB, then I would get 18. But if you see, the answer would be wrong. Why? Because we need to go greedily. Instead, we have just went by one. But if you see this A, like right, so instead of removing BBAB, what I'll do is remove this AB first, right? By removing this AB, I would get 4. After that, I would get AA, right? And then remove this AB. So the first thing we'll do is remove this BA first. So the score will be 5. Again, I got AB, right? So by AB, I'll get 4. 4 plus 5 will be 9. I'm just removing it. Now I got BA again. So remove this BA, then you will get 5 again. So 5 plus 9 will be 14. Then remove this BA. If you see BA, then you would get 5 again, and the score will be 19. So if you see, it is not something like I would get AB and then remove this AB so that I would get a maximum score. If What if AB and BA, right? What if AB is having a score of x is equal to 4 and BA is having y is equal to 5? So instead of removing AB, right, instead of removing AB which is having lower score, what I'll do is remove this BA which is having higher score, which is 5. If you see here, I have this x and then y. Now this is the one string that I am looking at. Now x is 5. That means for removing AB, I would get 5 as the score. 5 added to the score. Y is 4. So by removing BA, I would get 4 added to the score. Now let us see. I have this BA, I have this AB. The first important thing in this intuition is first thing, going greedily. Going greedily. Why? The first thing doing, going with higher score, right? Going with this higher score, nothing means if AB is having higher score, then go and remove AB. If BA is having higher score, then go and remove BA, right? So by doing the same, I'll do here, right? I'll go and remove which is having the higher score, AB. So let us remove AB, right? So I'm removing AB, and the score will be AB is having a score of 5. Now after that, I'll remove this AB again, then the score will be 10. Now let me see here, do I have any AB? Yes, I have an AB here. Then removing it would give me 15. Then removing another AB would give me 20. Do I have anything? So no, I doesn't have anything. So the score will be 20. And I will check. After that, I'll check for BA. Do I have any BA here? No. So the answer will be 20. But the second thing is, how can we remove? How can we remove? The intuition has got that we need to go greedily and remove AB or BA, which is whichever having higher score, and removing the other one afterward, BAB, right? Now I need to remove AB, right? So by removing AB, what I am doing is removing AB, and then I'll remove BA. So if I remove AB, the previous character to A will be at this point, right? So what I need is getting the previous character. So if previous character is equal to the, let me name it as 1, and let me name it as 2. So previous character is 1 and current character is equal to 2, then we need to remove. So but how can I get the previous character? So for getting the previous character, we will use a stack. Now how can we remove? That's the actual question, right? So when we are removing, we will make the removed characters as dot. That's what our intuition is, as dot. So let me write the algorithm for you. So what I'm doing is, the first thing, if x is having higher score than y, else I need to do something else. So result will be initialized to 0. If x is greater than y, then I need to go and remove AB. So the 1 will be AB, the character 1 will be A, and then the character 2 will be B, and the score is X and the string S. So result plus is equal to, I need to write some function for this, right? So let me name that function as remove. Now remove A, B from the string and add X to the answer. After that, result plus is equal to remove S comma Y comma, the first character is B, and then the second character is A. Now I'm just copying it, and if y is greater, then we need to reverse it. First remove BA and then remove AB, right? So this is how the core algorithm or core intuition is, and return the result at the end. But how can I write the remove function here? So int remove, I have the string s string. I'm taking it as pass by reference, and int score, and then I have character 1, character 2. Now the first thing is I'm initializing a stack, but while initializing this stack, let me take another example where I have a B B B. Now I need to remove A B, and the score is just 5, whatever it might be. Now I got here the stack, the upper element of the stack, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The upper element of stack is A, right? And then I got to B. Now I have S of I is equal to B, st dot top is equal to A. Now A and B, A is nothing but, it is nothing but 1, and S of I is equal to B, it is nothing but 2. That's how I write in the algorithm. So S of I is 2 and st dot top is 1. That means I got 1 and 2. What I need to do? remove it. Instead, what I am doing, just making it as dot. Now I am making, what I need to make is s of I minus 1 should be made as dot or something else. I'll tell you. Now, after that, I'll go to 4 and the previous character from the st or stack a. I have removed a. Now, the top character is a 1, right? So it is equal to 1 and it is equal to b. Now what I need to make, which index has to be made as dot, this will always made as dot, as s of I is made as dot, s of I is made as dot, right? But this index 1 have to be made as dot. So for that, instead of making a stack as just character, what I'll do is pair character comma int. What I'll do is just take the index along with the character. So a0 a1, so that st, wait a second, s of I is made as dot, made as dot, and st dot top dot second. So s of st dot top dot second is also made as dot. So after that, st dot pop. So I'll remove the top element from the stack. So we'll use a pair character comma int and let me name it as st. Now for int I is equal to 0 going till the size of s, what I'm doing is, let me check whether the previous character st dot top, st dot top, and the character is st dot top dot first is equal to 1 and s of I is equal to 2. And while I am checking this, I need to make sure that st, the stack, is not empty. So st is not empty. So these are the conditions, right? So if st is stack is not empty and the top character is 1 and the current character is 2, what I'll do is s of I made as dot, st dot top dot second is the index, right? So s of that index is also made as dot. Now after that, I need to pop that from the stack. Do I need to do anything? I need to add that to the answer. The score need to be added to the answer. So else what I have to do is, I need to just push that st dot push character c comma I. So this is how you solve this problem. But wait a second. If I have A, and here let me have B and then A. Now what I'll do, first thing I'll have AB and then I'll solve for BA. I'm just removing it. So the this string would become B dot 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 and then A. Now when you get to this A, the stack would contain B dot b comma 0 dot comma 1 dot comma 2 dot comma 3 and then dot comma 4, and then you will get to this a. Now the previous character is not b, but these dots are pushed back so that I am not getting the previous character as b. So else if only c is not is equal to, so it is not c, right? So s of I is not is equal to dot, then only st dot push s of I comma I, s of I comma I. So this is how you solve this problem, and at the last we need to return, wait, return the answer. And first thing, int I need to initialize int answer is equal to 0. So this is how you solve this problem, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video.